Let's start. What are the importance of aluminum, copper, lead, zinc, and tungsten? From the vehicles we ride, the devices we use, to the buildings we inhabit, these metals play a major role. First up, we have aluminum, a metal known for its versatility. Aluminum is a truly remarkable metal with a host of properties that make it suitable for various applications. It's almost as if nature designed this metal with a great deal of thought, considering its unique blend of characteristics that make it so versatile. Unbelievably lightweight and yet incredibly strong, aluminum is the third most abundant element on Earth. It's a feat of nature's engineering that this metal weighs roughly a third as much as steel or copper, yet doesn't skimp on strength or durability. This is why you'll find aluminum in the structure of airplanes, cars, and trains, where weight savings can translate to increased speed and decreased fuel consumption. Another fantastic property of aluminum is its resistance to corrosion. When exposed to air, aluminum forms a thin protective layer of aluminum oxide that shields the metal from further oxidation. This corrosion resistance is a valued quality in the construction industry, where aluminum is used in everything from window frames to bridge components. It's not all about strength and durability though. Aluminum is also an excellent conductor of heat and electricity. It might not quite match up to copper in this regard, but it certainly gives it a good run for its money. And with its lighter weight, it often emerges as a more practical choice in many applications. This is why you'll find aluminum in a vast array of electronics and wiring systems. And let's not forget about its role in the packaging industry. Aluminum's malleability allows it to be rolled into thin sheets that are perfect for creating everything from aluminum foil to beverage cans. Plus, it's completely recyclable without any loss of quality, making it a sustainable choice in an increasingly eco-conscious world. Indeed, aluminum is a metal that we simply cannot do without. From the airplane you fly in, to the laptop you're working on, to the soda can you're sipping from, it's clear to see that aluminum plays a crucial role in our everyday lives. Next on our list is copper, a metal celebrated for its superior conductivity. Known for its distinct reddish-brown hue, copper is more than just a pretty face in the world of metals. It's an exceptional conductor of both heat and electricity, a property that sets it apart from its metallic brethren. This high conductivity is due to the structure of copper atoms. They possess a single free electron in their outermost shell, which allows for the easy flow of electric charge. Now imagine a world where your electronic gadgets and appliances don't work. Chilling, isn't it? Well, thanks to copper, we don't have to face such a dystopian reality. A large part of the world's copper production goes into making electrical wires. Its high conductivity, combined with its ductility, makes it an ideal material for this purpose. From the cables that bring power to your home to the tiny wires inside your computer, copper is an unsung hero keeping our world electrified. But copper's talents don't stop at conducting electricity. It's also an outstanding conductor of heat, which makes it a popular choice for heat exchangers. These devices are key players in air conditioning systems, refrigerators, and car radiators. By efficiently transferring heat, copper helps keep these systems running smoothly, ensuring your home stays cool in summer, your food stays fresh, and your car doesn't overheat. Furthermore, copper's resistance to corrosion makes it a go-to material for plumbing. It can withstand water for long periods without rusting, ensuring clean water supply in homes and industries. So, next time you switch on a light, remember the copper wires that make it possible. When you drive your car or enjoy a cold drink from the fridge, think of the copper in the heat exchanger doing its job. And when you turn on the tap, spare a thought for the copper pipes bringing you clean water. With its wide range of applications, copper certainly plays a vital role in our lives. Moving on, we have lead, a heavy metal that serves as a protective shield. Lead is unique in the world of metals due to its significant density and malleability. These properties make lead an effective barrier against various forms of radiation, including X-rays and gamma rays. It's no surprise that you will find lead in many hospitals, laboratories, and nuclear facilities, where it's used to shield both people and sensitive equipment from harmful radiation. But lead's applications don't stop there. Thanks to its high density, lead also excels in sound insulation. It can effectively block out noise, making it a popular choice for soundproofing in various sectors, from the music industry to construction. Now let's switch gears a bit and talk about lead-acid batteries. These batteries are everywhere, in cars, emergency lighting systems, and even power stations. Lead's ability to react with sulfuric acid to produce electricity gives it a significant role in our day-to-day lives. However, it's important to remember that lead is a toxic metal. It can cause serious health problems if not handled with care. That's why industries that use lead have strict safety protocols to protect workers and the environment. So, while lead might not be the most glamorous metal out there, its unique properties make it invaluable in various applications. Despite its toxicity, lead remains an essential metal in many industries. Next, we explore zinc, a metal known for its protective qualities. Zinc, the 24th most abundant element in the Earth's crust, is an incredibly versatile metal. It's often overlooked, but it plays a crucial role in many of the things we use every day. Zinc's most notable property is its resistance to corrosion. This quality is due to a layer of zinc carbonate that forms on the surface when zinc is exposed to the air. This protective layer shields the rest of the metal from environmental factors that would otherwise cause it to deteriorate. This resistance to corrosion is why we see zinc used so often in a process called galvanizing. Finally, we have tungsten, a metal famous for its high melting point. Known for its robustness and resistance, tungsten is a heavyweight in the world of metals. It boasts an incredible melting point of over 6,000 degrees Fahrenheit. This makes tungsten an exceptional candidate for high-temperature applications. But tungsten is not just about withstanding high temperatures, it's also about strength. Tungsten has an impressive tensile strength, which means it can resist breaking under tension. This property makes it a top choice for applications where durability and resilience are key. Now, let's delve into the applications of this resistant metal. Ever wonder what's at the heart of a light bulb that emits that warm, inviting glow? That's a filament made of tungsten, chosen for its ability to handle high heat without melting. But tungsten's applications don't stop at lighting up our rooms. It's also a star player in rocket engine nozzles, where it faces extreme temperatures and pressure. The robustness of tungsten makes it an ideal choice for this high-stakes application. And let's not forget about cutting tools. The strength of tungsten carbide, a compound of tungsten and carbon, makes it a preferred material for tools that need to cut, shape, or remove other materials without getting damaged themselves. Tungsten, the resistant, continues to push the boundaries of what is possible in engineering and technology.